Okay, so hello guys, this is my second video, and we are here to learn the 9 principles of BRSR of CA Final Audit. So I've created a mnemonics for this. So we have to learn this 9 principles in sequence wise. So the mnemonics is ESES, HEPI happy, and V. Okay, so E stand for ethics, transparency, and accountability. Then S stands for safe and sustainable goods and services. And again, E stand for promote well-being of employees, including those in value chain. And again, S stand for stakeholders. So we have to respect the stakeholders' interest and responsiveness. Then principle 5 is respect and promote human rights. So H. Then principle 6 is E. E stand for environment. We have to protect and restore. So protection and restoration of environment. And then after environment will take care of public. So influence on public and regulatory policies. That is principle 7. Principle 8 deals with promote inclusive growth and equitable development. And principle 9 is provide value to consumers in responsible manner. So these are the 9 principles we need to learn. Okay, thank you guys.